So Jellybean is in there, getting serviced. Go on, lads. In the meantime, I'm stuck with him, and that's not a courtesy bike. So I'm going to be in the back of this.
Say that again?
Huh?
Say that again?
I said, I'm explaining to the lovely audience here, I'm going to be on the back of your Triumph Sprint, which I've been told is very reliable.
Now is not the time. Behave yourself.
Damn it. Emotional damage. How much you got in this thing?
Hey, listen, you're starting to be pretty complainy for a Pillion, you know. Yeah, you're good. So as you can see, Red is obviously buzzing. What? Yeah, I said you're obviously buzzing. He's not. I know Red. I know Red very well. He's not buzzing.
How the fuck do I even do this? 1, 2. Alright. Alright, I don't like this, but alright.
You're very high up, actually.
Am I?
You're very high.
Yeah.
Normally they're not taller than me.
Yeah. Don't know about this.
It's okay. You're gonna be just fine.
Yeah, nice and gentle now.
Nice and gentle.
Oh fucking hell. I do not like the way the bike tips over when you're pillion. Yeah. God, I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. This is... Oh.
I don't think Red's having a good time. And all I'm doing is in the car park and I'm already thinking he hates this. He definitely is not having the best of times. I'm getting in front of that lorry.
Oh, don't you bastard.
There's the first headbutt. We'll see how many more he does. All the arms are on me. He's put his hands on my waist, or at least he did for a second. That is funny. That is hilarious. Straight on. Just wanted to double check. Oh, yeah, no, we were getting to that braking point, or we were speeding up, and the hands. The hands, they started to be a bit adventurous. I shouldn't laugh, but I am enjoying this.
So for the most part, all you're going to see is the back of his bloody head, but if you can't tell, I'm not having fun with this, mainly because I'm not in control of the bike. B, I'm very high up. I'm not used to that either. But, when he accelerated, he didn't give it many beans on the way out, but I felt myself, you know, when I accelerate on my bike, just saying, I feel snug into the seat, and I've also got something to hold on to, handlebars wise. On this, every time he accelerates, I feel like I'm about to slide off the bloody back of it. Although I am slightly tilted forward, it's the momentum, and I've got to sort of catch myself. Oh dear.
So this is what some of you asked for. As soon as the video of me on Red's bike came out, there are a few comments and a few messages saying, "Oh, you should get Red on your bike." And lo and behold, here we are. That is exactly what we've done. I'm very surprised because I didn't think he would, but he's fully sent it. He's decided, you know what, I will listen to the audience. And I respect that. I respect a man that's willing to put the audience before himself. And here we are. It's going to be good because this will give this will just add more points, just more points. Here's the first one. When you have someone who isn't used to being a pillion, or maybe hasn't been a pillion before. I actually don't know if Red's been a pillion before. I'll have to ask. Yeah, probably best just to be a little bit gentle with them, because it's not a great moment being a pillion. Like, it's not something I particularly enjoy. On Red's bike, I was having to scoot forward all the time. I don't think Red's going to have that problem on the Sprint, but I think how high he is will, because he's actually now taller than me. See? He does all this, doesn't he, about how I'm so short, or, well, I say he does it, I mean people tell him how short he is. But he's very tall at the moment. He's well above me, so he must be getting an absolute cracking view, but at the same time it's not, yeah, it's not what you want. It's not what you want at all.
I feel embarrassed to be sat on the back of a bike nodding to people. Oh. I think that's what this is, really. This is going to be me just being embarrassed, demasculinized. Oh, yeah, I don't know. I'd have a lot more to say, but I'm holding on for dear life at the moment. I've been able to find a nice little position where my seat, my arse is kind of on the middle of the seat. My hands have got a little bar to hold on to, so when he accelerates, I can just push my arse back, straighten my back out, because I've got a horrible posture where I slouch over, and if I slouch over on this, I feel like my arse is going to slide off the back. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Right, this is a... Oh, oh, I don't like that. Oh, I can feel him twitch on the controls there as well.
We fucking bike skimming all over the place. I don't think Red wants to lean that much.
Oh, please don't kill me. So, let me put it this way, I'm very, very bloody glad I put the earplugs in, because my ears are slightly ringing at the moment, sat right on the top of this arrow exhaust. Oh no, it's a Delcovic. Yeah, it's a Delcovic. Whoops. Don't tell Rhythmic I said that, he will kill me. Yeah, oh. This is, I feel very cramped on the back of this. Oh god. Every hill, every corner we're approaching, and I know there's more of this to come, and I'm just thinking like, oh god. I'm not used to being high up on a motorcycle and the entire mass underneath me just moving around. I'm far too high up to be comfortable right now. Oh, Rhythmic, I hope you get that bloody... I hope you get a cruiser real soon, mate. I'm looking forward to that. Oh, this is torture. This is absolute torture. If you can't tell, UncleRed's not having fun. He is, well, scared for his bloody life. Now here's the kicker as well. I opted out getting a courtesy bike today from the dealership while Jellybean's getting serviced, and now I am absolutely kicking myself. I've sort of forced myself in this position, and that's fine. And I knew in a lot of regards I wouldn't have a great deal amount of fun on this, but oh, I hate this. I hate this. Every bump, my arse is moving on the seat, and I just feel less comfortable. I almost want to tell him, hey, do 30 miles an hour all the way home, please.
Just before we left the dealership, Red was saying that he's a little bit nippy, and that he was hoping that being on the back of my bike, he'd warm up a little bit because he'd be behind me. However, I don't think he quite banked on, one, it being this cold, and two, him being higher than me and actually not very close to me. This is the thing about the Sprint, you know, if you are I say an experienced Pillion or I don't know, just an experienced biker like Red is, there's normally not a problem. You know, that car's been smashed in, so it just caught me a little bit. Yeah, there's not a problem. You know, you can. He's quite far away from me. Him and me are actually nowhere near. I can't even feel his inner thighs. Ray. So we finally hit national speed limit on the single carriageway of 60 miles an hour. I haven't heard any screams. I haven't been punched. I haven't been headbutted. Hopefully, when I watch Red's video, I see that he was having a good time.
I will say, being this high up on the back of a motorcycle, it's nice to see more of the view, a bit more of the countryside that I'm used to seeing. Unfortunately, we don't really have the great weather for it, but yeah, it's nice. Even if I am nervous as all hell right now. Very bloody nervous.
So I recently did a video about Red for his special day. Well, today is that special day. Luckily, the date isn't anywhere. This will be uploaded probably in a few weeks' time. My bike doesn't have dates anywhere, so yeah, I can say that without revealing too much. But yes, today is that special day, and what a treat! What a treat! He gets to come out with me on the back of the Sprint. I tell you what, there are some people in this world who just don't know how lucky they are. We're some mud there, that's cool, we'll go right through the middle of it. He does not know how lucky he is. Well, he dealt with the corners. He's dealing very, very well. I honestly hope he's having a good time, because I know I moaned a little bit on my video where I was on the back of the Vulcan S, but that is just because the Vulcan S, I love the Vulcan S. I have no gripes against the Vulcan S whatsoever. It's a lovely bike. But it is uncomfortable to be a Pillion on it. I'm just saying it. There's just fact. If you don't ever buy that, if you're gonna like tour with a Pillion, buy a Harley, buy a big Triumph or something. Don't buy the big Vulcan if that does Pillion options. You know, if that has the Pillion seat on it. I assume it does. But yeah, don't go with the 650. Go with the 650 if you're gonna tour by yourself, like Red. Well, not by himself. He's always got me there, but he's stuck with me, unfortunately. Yep. Look at it. Are you okay?
No.
Are you? Oh, I'm so. I actually thought you were having a great time. Hang on.
I hated every minute of that.
Seriously,
Yeah.
every
moment of it. Can I get off?
You can get off. I honestly, when you watch my video, all you're going to hear me saying is, I think Red's really getting into this. I think Red's having a good time.
All you're going to hear from me is, I hate this. I don't like this at all. Oh, don't accelerate. Oh, God, accelerate.
Oh, Red, I'm so sorry.
When we got past that car doing 40 mile an hour, when that van overtook him,
Oh, yeah.
I knew immediately,
Yeah.
you're eyeing him up and thinking, yeah, I'm going to have him.
Well, so I took it gingerly throughout the whole thing, but then when
Gingerly? Really? I don't know what you think ginger is, but when you're that high up on a bloody bike, you think it's twice as well. Oh.
I actually, some of those bends, I thought, oh, we could, I thought, oh, Red's got to be comfortable by now. Maybe I could start going a little bit more throwy, and
I'm exhausted.
Was it a bit of a workout? Was it?
Yeah.
On the core.
Yeah.
You did really well, to be fair. There was, except for the first bit we turned left when we came off the main road and went left. I was late, and then the bike like wobbled. I thought, fucking Red's coming. Yeah, other than that, it was great. I thought.
Well, you do your thing. I'm going to try and emotionally recover from it.
Emotional damage.